everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a beautiful cozy corner in blue and white. Come on with me, guys. Now I'm starting out with this thrifted tier tray that I purchased from Goodwill. So I'm just cleaning it off and then we're going to start decorating it. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. All right, let me tell you who the co-hosts are. So we have Design with Emma, IB Doll, Z9 Design, Annalise Cupboard, Debbie Bubbles, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now, some of us may be taking rest and we'll be coming back soon, so let's get started, guys. Now, I absolutely love white and I love greenery, so I think that's what we're going to do here with this tier tray, and then we'll continue. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, always remember to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. The community tab is always where you're going to see the calendar, but you will also find all of the thumbnails for all of the collaborations. On the thumbnails, you have a hashtag. Make sure and use the hashtag so that it's easy for me to find your video. Also, if you want to host in any of the collaborations, please send me a message. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now, I absolutely love the coffee cup stack, and that's already done. I purchased that at HomeGoods. Then we have the Chinoiserie pieces that I thrifted, I believe the Salvation Army and the Goodwill. Now, guys, if you see this white tray at the Dollar Tree, don't hesitate to pick it up. It is absolutely beautiful. So I was also attracted to this beautiful tea set I'm getting ready to display. I got it at the Goodwill, and I love that all the pieces are all white. So the candle did come from Bath and Body Works, and these additional chinoiserie pieces I'm just going to scatter around. Now I decided to go ahead and scatter some of the little cookies on a Chinoiserie plate that I also thrifted, and the cookies are strawberry and I cannot wait to dig in. I think that this coffee tea station came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. And those blue and white pieces are beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. you.